Hello, this is listing to leads site homepage, and I'm going to click on the login button to log into our system with the Face Google username which we have provided you for your testing purpose on email as well. You can use the same credential for your testing as well. In that, I'm going to visit the profile. On the profile page, you can see this YouTube connection tab which we have set over here, and our users are going to authorize YouTube channel from here from using this button. I am showing you the inspect element to set the link which we have set up the link over here, and the full link I have copied on my notepad as well to show you the scope http www.googleapis.com auth YouTube. This is the full link which we have set on this button click to show you, and this is the new project which we have created and requested to you for the further authentication and over scope verification. And this is the scope. This is a new client id listing to leads account. Now I am going to visit this button, click Google account selection. I am going to select my personal account over here and YouTube. This is the message we right now we are getting. This app isn't verified. This app isn't verified by Google yet. So waiting for this to approve. Right now I'm going to click on advance to show you the further demo. This is the full page where we have manage your YouTube account, view and manage your YouTube video and playlist. Listing2leads.com will allow listing to leads want to access your Google account. This is the new link. You can see over here the full URL with code, auth user, English, the language, and manage YouTube account. Now I am going to allow. It will allow and redirect to our profile page which we have set on auth callback and the channel name here over here. So on click the channel will be open. This is our the whole process which we are following right now. But due to the auth verification requested to you, it is not published yet, so error is coming to all clients. Can you please verify it as soon as possible? Thank you so much. We are waiting for your response. Thank you.